Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Command Prompt and setting the right context. This matters because commands run where you are. Once open, make sure to run as administrator when modifying system files. Change directory with CD to the project folder so file operations target the correct place. Also check current path with prompt or echo %cd%. These are the first actionable steps you take now. They prevent accidental edits and reduce permission errors before you execute any commands. Once you're in the right folder, run core commands to inspect and manipulate files. Dir shows contents, mkdir creates folders, and del removes files. Use copy or move to reorganize. Type displays small files inline. When running programs, call the executable or the interpreter, for example Python script. Py. Use tab completion to speed typing and up arrow to recall previous commands. These techniques save time and reduce typos, making your workflow predictable and reproducible as you progress toward your goal. To finish, tidy up and validate results. Run CLS to clear clutter and confirm outputs. Review recent commands with up arrow or DOSKey/history to reproduce or refine steps. If a command fails, check the path for missing executables, verify permissions, and confirm file paths exactly. Small typos are common. If you must retry, use echo or type to inspect files first. One key troubleshooting tip. Run the failing command with elevated privileges to rule out permission issues before deep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.